If you're a Salesforce customer and you're interested in payments, you've probably heard about us here at Chargent. You may be asking yourself, how has Chargent supported customers like me? Or how has Chargent solved customer problems like mine? Well, those are valid questions. And in this video, you are going to learn how we support our customers from our customers themselves. So here at Chargent, we've had more than 400 of our happy customers who have taken time to rate us 4.9 out of 5 stars on the Salesforce AppExchange. We are humbled that our customers think so highly of us. We work hard every single day to ensure that we don't let them down. My name is Micaiah, and I'm from Chargent. You want to learn more about Salesforce and payments? Well, if so, we've made a special checklist for you on the 10 ways to make Salesforce payments safe, easy, and profitable. Get that link in the description below. These reviews, they're from our customers, and they are pulled straight from the Salesforce AppExchange. Please feel encouraged to check them out yourself on the AppExchange. So first up, Nick Freitz had this to say.
Nick Freight says, been using it for years. Excellent for all types of payments. We've been running recurring and one-time billing through Chargent for at least the last 5 years. They have frequent updates to keep us compliant, and there are virtually never any issues with payments. Even better is their support team. I recently worked with Stacy, hey, that's me, to help set up new gateways for our company. We were experiencing an error that turned out to be unrelated to Chargent, and she still got on a Zoom call to help troubleshoot and provide guidance. 5 out of 5 stars.
Well, thank you, Nick. Stacy is a true gem. She consistently goes above and beyond. Thank you for recognizing her here. I also checked, and your law firm has been a customer of ours since 2011. I want to say thank you for a decade of patronage. Bonnie Stoltman was highly complimentary, and here is her review.
Best payment processing app. We use Chargent to manage all of our sustaining memberships and for sending out payment requests. Makes it so much easier for people to pay their invoices. It's also such an easy tool to get set up and running.
Wow, what kind words, Bonnie. Thank you. We are thrilled that we can help you advocate for the arts in the land of 10,000 lakes. We are so very happy to be able to support you and your mission. Lowton Stern wrote a simply happy review that says,
Lowton Stern says, great product and support team. We have been using Chargent for over 3 years to process credit cards in the field and office, and we are extremely satisfied with the app, the features, and the response time from the support team.
Thank you, Lowton. The support team focuses on quick response times as a core value of our customer care. Our product team puts the majority of their effort into making sure that each feature that we have drives value for you, our valued customer. So thank you for recognizing these characteristics in us. Yuval Zilberberg had this to say.
Reliable, easy to implement, and great service. If you need a great credit card processor app, you've come to the right place. Great support system, clear implementation docs, attentive team, a winning recipe for any Salesforce org. I needed to add a feature that was missed months after implementation, and with no problem, the team clearly dictated what was required and even helped me with the QA. Send pay request is the best feature. If a customer needs to pay, they click a button, and an email with a link allows the user to pay at their convenience. Thank you, Chargent, for being one of my favorites in my org's app launcher.
The Chargent payment request feature, it's hugely popular, and we are so very happy to hear that you too are finding value in this very popular feature. Thank you for this great review. We look forward to providing you great support for many years to come. On another review, Andrew Kuharich, he had this to say.
Great support. Keeping on top of Salesforce releases. I'm a Salesforce admin recently charged with preparing for the June 20 release. I am not well versed in the world of Chargent, so when the early notifications from App Frontier started telling me about necessary upgrades required to coincide with the Salesforce release, I was a bit panicked. I am extremely grateful for the support team at Chargent. After reaching out with questions in regards to the upgrade, they suggested scheduling time to help me with the update and walk through the setup. Even scheduling a second call to complete the integration and test the new setup. I am very impressed with the thoroughness and monitoring of their product with Salesforce to keep ahead of the releases. Thank you, Chargent.
Hey Andrew, it's clear that you are a highly skilled and focused Salesforce admin. we are happy to have your back. Sorry to have caused you some panic. However, I am happy that the team was well prepared to ensure your success. I appreciate this candid review. All right, Stacy, what did Mike McGibney have to say in his review?
Great support team for this app. We have received overwhelming support from Robert Ruelas on the Chargent accounting seed integration. Robert stayed with us on our problem until resolved. We don't find this level of support frequently and would recommend the Chargent app for any organization that handles credit cards when you're using Salesforce and/or accounting seed.
Robert is a great advocate for our customers. He is passionate about helping our customers succeed. It is also great to hear that you are benefiting from our accounting seed integration. They are a truly great partner. Thank you for this excellent review, Mike. We are absolutely thrilled that we could help these customers achieve a payment solution that works for their specific needs and processes. We'd love to work with you too. Contact our team to see how we can help streamline your payments in Salesforce today. My name is Micaiah, and at Chargent, we're dedicated to helping Salesforce customers like you keep your payments simple. I want you to head on over to this video here, and I'll see you over there. And remember, at Chargent, we are always here to help.